Hello everyone, my name is Marlene. Welcome back. Today, I'm so excited to show you how to make this easy and useful vintage botanical storage folder for ephemera. Just take a look. We're going to start by cutting all the pieces. I have already cut all the pieces included in the kit, and I printed all the pages double-sided. I used 200 grams cardstock and I cut everything with scissors. Let's get started with the cover folio. We are going to make the score lines using a scoreboard and a score tool. You can also use a pen with no ink if you don't have one. If you're interested in the printable kit, I left you the link in the description box below this video. Now let's fold down the hinge tabs and glue them onto the folio, just like this. I forgot to add some ink around the edges, but this step is optional. If you want to do it, add the ink before gluing the edges. Okay, now we're going to glue the diagonal pockets on the left side of the folder. You can use white glue or double-sided tape. Repeat the same process of the right side of the folder. Now we fold the tops and skirt the line on the edge envelopes, just like this. Okay, this next part is optional. If you want to turn the aviary section into a window, just cut around it and glue the pieces of the vellum paper behind. I added some distress ink around the edges. Again, this is totally optional. If you don't have a vellum, you can use acetate or a piece of a cellophane bag. Then glue it with white glue or double-sided tape. Now let's glue the pockets up like this and attach them to the hinges. Check it out how I do it. It's really easy. For the closer, I use a circle cutout, but you can use other things like hook and loop dots. I added distress ink to the circles, and to decorate, I attached a brad in the center. If you do this, glue the back button of the circles in the center of the envelope. To close the folio, you can use anything like hook and loop dots. Now decorate the cards from the gift however you like. Add some ink around the edges or use lace, ribbons, or wherever you prefer. The storage folder with envelopes is perfect for keeping fussy cut, stamped mini notes, or anything else. Don't throw away the scrap from the envelope's windows. Look at what we can do with them. I found this mini sewing machine in my supplies, and I'm going to use it to make some messy stitching on the corners. I think it's look really cool. And we're done! Just decorate your folio wherever you want. I hope you enjoyed the process. Thank you so much for staying until the end of this video. Now enjoy the flip through. My name is Marlene, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!